Ever wondered how the addition of a garden fountain or water feature can transform your outdoor space? Picture the tranquility and beauty these features can bring. Imagine the birds chirping, the water flowing. Stay tuned to explore the wonderful world of garden fountains and water features. Dive into the diverse range of garden fountains. Let's imagine the soothing sounds of a wall fountain, trickling water echoing off the stone, creating an atmosphere of tranquility. Now envision a tiered fountain, its grandeur and elegance bringing a sense of sophistication to any garden. Moving on, we have disappearing fountains, the masters of illusion. Their water seems to vanish into thin air, a spectacle that never fails to captivate. And then there's the solar fountain, a beacon of sustainability, harnessing the power of the sun to create a peaceful water cascade. Each of these fountains not only adds a unique aesthetic, but also a soothing soundtrack to your garden. Each fountain brings a different kind of charm to your garden, isn't it? Now let's unfold the magic of water features. Imagine the serene tranquility of a waterfall, the babbling charm of a stream, or the reflective beauty of a pond in your very own garden. These natural elements not only add a unique aesthetic appeal, but also create an inviting habitat for wildlife. Birds, butterflies, frogs, and more, all drawn to your garden oasis. The inclusion of water features truly transforms a garden into a lively, vibrant sanctuary. Water features truly make your garden a lively and vibrant place. Transform your garden into a serene sanctuary with garden fountains and water features. By incorporating these elements, you uplift your garden's aesthetic appeal and imbue it with tranquility. They're not just visually captivating, but also bring a sense of peace and harmony. It's like having your very own slice of paradise. So, ready to elevate your garden? Remember, a garden is a friend you can visit anytime. Did you find this information useful? Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more gardening tips and tricks.